In this video, I am going to show you how to connect WhatsApp to Gumloop. But before we start, at the time of recording, Gumloop doesn't offer a direct built-in WhatsApp app connection like Gmail or Slack. Instead, you'll typically connect WhatsApp using a supported third-party service or the WhatsApp Business API through the webhooks or API calls inside your Gumloop workflow. Keep that in mind. So first of all, or before connecting WhatsApp to Gumloop, you will need a service that provides access to the WhatsApp Business API. Depending on the provider that you will choose, you will receive basically an API credentials or webhook information that Gumloop can use. Of course, the popular option is Meta for developers. You can get a business API from there. So you can go and get yourself from or yours from there. Once you do so, go and open Gumloop. Once you open it, sign in into your account as an example, and you can either open the workflow that you would like to WhatsApp or create a new workflow. Once you do so, open as example your apps or credentials sections. If your WhatsApp provider supports authentication through Gumloop, you can connect it there. Otherwise, you'll have to create a connection using the API key or webhook credentials supplied by your provider. Gumloop supports both OAuth integration and API-based connection depending on the service that you're using. So just go and connect that, and you can build your workflow however you want. So build your nodes, add your nodes needed for your automation. For example, you may wanna create workflows for receiving data from another app, process it with AI, send the result through the connected WhatsApp provider, do whatever you want. Once you're done, just make sure to run your workflow and verify that it works, and you should get a success message at the bottom right. If it does, that means everything is good, and you should be good to go. So that's how you connect WhatsApp to Gumloop. You can do it just through the webhooks or API. Without it, you will not be able to do it directly, of course, just from the time of the recording of this video. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.